take a wild guess where I went. Just guess, just guess, just guess. Hi guys, welcome back to the Brian's Life YouTube channel, coming at you guys with another unboxing. Yes, I know these unboxings are very, very expensive for me.
People see me spending money on expensive shit and think I'm rich. Bitch, I'm not rich. I'm irresponsible.
But you guys seem to enjoy it because you did get my last unboxing to 2,000 views, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But anyways, today we have a really special unboxing. My new iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2021. Let's just show what's in the box first. So we have this lovely bag from the Apple Store. I love these bags so much. I literally have a collection of these bags. I do not want to throw these bags out. The beautiful iPad Pro. I got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi in 128 gigabytes, and this is the silver version. This box is freaking huge, but honestly, it is super lightweight. Like this iPad is pretty lightweight, which is awesome. We got the Magic Keyboard. I had a Magic Keyboard for my last iPad, which we'll talk about really quickly before we get into the unboxing, but here is the Magic Keyboard for the 12.9 inch iPad. But we also don't got just that. No. We have some quite cool goodies from good old Amazon. Open this box too. Woo! Woo! Okay. First thing I got is an iPad Pro case, which is right here. And then we have a paper-like screen protector. I've always wanted a paper-like screen protector, but I did not want to spend like 40 bucks on a screen protector. So I got this kind of paper feel glass screen protector from Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive, so I got this too. So I got all my goodies here for my iPad unboxing. It is time to open this shit up. I do have a 2020 iPad Pro 11 inch right here. This has been my baby. This has been my child. I've loved this iPad so much. Literally no complaints about this iPad through my entire 2 years of owning it. Except for when I started this semester at my college. I've been using this thing as my daily driver for college. I'd bring this iPad to school along with the Magic Keyboard accessory. This is what I use. I literally use this Magic Keyboard accessory because it has the Apple Pencil here. I can write my notes on here. I can do all that cool stuff and have it for web browsing and everything like that. And it's just been super reliable because of that. But the issue is that the battery life on this iPad has been pretty freaking bad. I don't know what happened with it within the past year, but I literally cannot get a full school day out of this iPad. I get maybe 5 hours, 5.5 if I'm lucky. So I had to buy an external battery pack, and I've been using it for maybe a week. And then I was just like, I'm just tired of this. You know, I've been wanting a new iPad. I decided just to get it. So I decided to get one of the M1 iPads. I had a trade-in value of $330 for this iPad, as well as I had another iPhone that I used to help me get the keyboard case. So I got a really good deal on this iPad. I only pay about $55 a month for 12 months, and I got it for like $670, which isn't bad. This is a $1,099 iPad, so I got a really good deal on it, so I really can't complain about that. Now we can open this up. So we have plastic wrap on this iPad, which honestly, I have been missing the plastic wrap on the iPhone. They got rid of the plastic wrap in 2021, and I really miss the plastic wrap. I don't know why, I just miss the plastic wrap. That was kind of a waste. Anyways. Ooh, hoo, hoo. And focus it. Come on. Come on. It's so awkward unboxing things that are not phones because they're just so freaking huge. Anyways, let's try to get this in one shot. Bad, come on. I don't want to drop this. Come on. Please. I've never struggled to unbox an iPad before. Why is this taking so long? Come on. Oh. That was a freaking workout. It's here. Look at her. So let's lift her up out of the box. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, here she is. Ooh, I'm so glad I got a silver. Here it is. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at it. It is freaking huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Just imagine, just hi.
No.
Decline. Here is my 11 inch iPad Pro versus the 12.9 inch. Look at that. Look at the difference. Let's turn her on. There it is. Ooh, I can already tell it is one of those mini LED displays because the only thing that's illuminating is the Apple logo, which is so slick. So this is again one of the M1 iPad Pros, so it's got the M1 chip inside of it, so it's gonna be super, super fast. Oh, hello, oh my goodness. This is nice. This screen is super nice, but yeah, it's got M1 chip in it. Let's see how fast the chip is by swiping up. Nice. So we got English, United States, quick start. You can bring your current iPad near it, which we're gonna do that. And then we're setting up, so we gotta scan these two things together. Setting up your iPad. Set up Face ID, so let's do Face ID. Second Face ID scan complete. First accessory is a case. This is a folio case for the iPad. Kinda, oh yeah, magnetically attach it, and there we go, and it locks. Let's open up the Magic Keyboard. So here it is. This is one of my favorite Apple accessories to ever exist, so let's do it. Seriously, seriously, let's do that, okay. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Ooh, this up. And there's nothing else in the box, so love it. Oh, open this up and take this away. Ooh, this is quite nice. Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't know what it smells like. It kind of smells like, it smells fresh and minty. But anyways, here's the keyboard. It is freaking huge. So here you got the keyboard case, you got the iPad. What's nice about the keyboard case is that it automatically, well, it's supposed to, automatically attaches, and then here it is. Here is your computer. So this is kind of fun. I don't think I've ever updated my iPad in the keyboard case before, but if it updates in the keyboard case, it shows like this. So it's just like you're updating like a MacBook or something. That's quite nice. Look at that. All right, and now it's telling us, welcome to iPad. Start. Get started, and here we are in the iPad. Let's freaking go. Ooh, 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 ooh. And resync it back up. And it is starting up. Woohoo, awesome. Close it. And here is my new setup, my new mobile workstation setup, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys, that is it for my unboxing of the iPad Pro with Magic Keyboard. Here it is, right here in all of its glory. I'm very excited to use this iPad and get used to it and just have new experiences with the M1 iPad. Hi guys, it is Editing Brian here, coming at you with a little bit of a better postscript than what I did when I filmed the video. This is kind of like an update on it. Obviously, that video was filmed in like October, and now it is December, so happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy all the other holidays. I am now on winter break, so hopefully I can do more video content for you guys in next coming weeks. I'm off for a month. Thank you again for reaching my last video, my last unboxing video. I believe got to like 3K views, which is super awesome. I'm very happy about that. Thank you guys so much for that. I really appreciate it. And updating the iPad is I do like it a lot, but I kind of regret buying it. The reason why I regret buying it is because it's very similar to my last one. And the only real difference is it's got a bigger screen and it lasts a little bit longer than the last one. So that's really the only difference about it. It's probably my most regretted Apple purchase I've made, to be completely honest with you. I have had some issues with my school programs working on it. I've had issues where just things would not load properly. I've had issues with the Magic Keyboard not syncing properly with the iPad, and sometimes the trackpad would fail to connect. Sometimes the keyboard would fail to connect. So that's kind of my thing with it. The next video you guys are going to be seeing is an AirPods Max unboxing, which I filmed last month in November. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe. And click the notification button to get notifications on whenever I upload. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I shall see you guys in the next one. And yeah, have a great holiday, I guess. I don't know. Bye.